Actron Air's ESP Plus delivers absolute comfort and energy savings through digital technology. It's a smart ducted air conditioning system that not only understands Australian conditions, but how Australians live. When things get extreme, you can count on ESP Plus to keep your whole family in energy efficient comfort. ESP stands for Energy Smart Performance. ESP Plus delivers energy smart performance, with its digital compressor working efficiently, right down to 10% of its capacity. Big deal? Well, yeah. Most other air conditioners only get down to 40% of capacity, so there's a lot of wasted energy. After a long hot day, a digital compressor also gets to your comfort level fast. On startup, a conventional inverter system can take 5 to 10 minutes to get there. ESP Plus gets up to maximum capacity almost immediately. While other inverters waste time by having to stop and rest to achieve different temperatures, Actron Air's ESP Plus is more precise, getting to your desired temperature faster and smoother, with the ability to maintain the temperature to within an incredible 0.3 of a degree at the sensor location. Now that's cool. ESP Plus also has energy smart zoning, so your home can be split into different zones. You turn off the lights in rooms that aren't being used to save power, right? Well, now you can do the same with your air conditioning. That makes for a more comfortable electricity bill. It also means something else: no air dump. With traditional systems, when you shut off a zone, the overall air volume changes very little throughout the house. So for the zones still on, you get an air dump that's noisy, inefficient, and a real curtain blower. You don't need extra air pouring into the baby's room just because your air conditioner doesn't operate at low levels. ESP Plus has variable fan technology that delivers just the right amount of conditioned air to the zones you want, right down to 20% of capacity. In air conditioning, that's amazing versatility. In your bedroom, that's an amazing sleep. Now, Australia can get hot in summer. The last thing you want on that scorching day is for your air conditioning to pack it in. It happens, but not with ESP Plus. That's because it's made in Australia for Australia, with a superior operating range. Most overseas refrigerated air conditioners only work up to 46 degrees, some just 43 degrees. Fair enough, they come from cooler climates. The ESP Plus, however, has an operating range up to 50 degrees. Doesn't get that hot where you are? Think again. Temperatures around the unit can be a lot hotter than what they're saying on the weather report. They can be affected by direct sun or heat radiating off the ground, and they're often located against a wall or a fence, where there's low air circulation. The ESP Plus powers on, day and night. Its clever outdoor unit features a vertical rather than horizontal discharge of air. Instead of pushing air straight into the neighbour's fence, it releases hot air upwards, improving air circulation and, in return, performance. The powder-coated louvered grille guard also allows for better airflow and protection against Australia's extreme weather conditions. ESP Plus is as energy efficient as it is comfortable. Over 5 years, you could save up to $3,500 on your electricity costs for cooling alone, compared with other air conditioning technology. To ensure seamless operation, Actron Air also builds its own controls in Australia. You'll find them logical and user-friendly. An 8-zone touchpad is conveniently integrated into our master controller, avoiding the need for a second controller. And for precise comfort, our system allows you to set your temperature in 0.5 degree increments. ESP Plus does provide an optional secondary controller with mimic logic. It's ideal for those who live in large or double-storey houses. Rather than having to trounce up and down every time you want to change the settings, ESP Plus allows you to set up a controller on each floor for absolute convenience. With optional Actron Connect, you can also control your system with your phone or laptop from your favourite spot in the lounge or on your way home from work. And for even more control, check out ESP Ultima, the upgrade which lets you set different temperatures in different zones at the same time. And it's backed by our national service network with staff on the ground and parts on the shelves, not to mention our 5-year warranty. All that adds up to a better way to live. It's why more than 250,000 Aussies take comfort in Actron Air. That's better, that's Actron.